New tonight, online reviews have become a norm in society, but can a review go too far?
A South Florida man is being sued for what he wrote online. CBS 4's David Sida takes a closer look at what you should know before you press submit.
I hate you. You suck. You're fat. This pizza stinks. You're ugly. That is the stupidest dog I've ever seen in my life. Your car is ugly. You know, those are opinions. And the way I understand the First Amendment to the Constitution is you're entitled to say your opinion.
And David Colon has a lot of opinions about what is happening to him right now. Colon, a web designer, is at the center of a defamation lawsuit. It all started when he got his dog neutered at the Vetfield Clinic in Plantation. He says a flyer advertised $77 for the job, but when the bill came in, it was $132.
They forced me to pay $132 before they give me my puppy back, 7 months old. It held them hostage, effectively. It's really, literally what they did. They held them hostage.
He filed a dispute with his bank and got his money back. Vetfield decided to put it behind them. 6 months later, though, a website appeared on the internet detailing the entire ordeal and calling the veterinarian, quote, a deceptive, sneaky, immoral, and greedy veterinarian, a flat-out thug.
There's a line. Reviews are one thing. Publishing websites using the name of a business, using statements that suggest an egregious pattern of criminal activity or suggest conduct that's not compatible with someone's trade or profession, we believe that that crosses the line.
Omar Saleh, the veterinarian's son, happens to be an attorney. He looked up the owner of the site and found the phone number listed was David Colon's business. He told Colon to take the site down or he would file a lawsuit. According to Colon, there was only one problem.
I didn't make the website. I didn't ask anybody to make the website.
Who made the website?
A kid named Jonathan Black. He was a programmer. I first met him when I had an office out in Fort Lauderdale. He said he was visiting the country. He talked funny, like with an, he said he was from Australia.
Colon says Black took it upon himself to make the site, but Black is by all accounts in the wind.
He could be on the moon right now. I mean, he could be across the street. He could be on the moon. I don't know.
Saleh wasn't amused and filed his lawsuit to shut down the site. A short time later, new websites bashing Vetfield surfaced on the internet. And that's not all. New sites appeared that went after Saleh's business.
And who did these websites? We
believe it's an alias of David Colon.
Saleh believes Jonathan Black is really David Colon and that he is behind all the sites.
I have nothing to do with it. I've told him that.
So far, though, the court has agreed with Saleh, ordering the sites removed from the internet. Why? The website's name.
He crossed the line when he published a website under the name VetfieldAnimalHospital.com.
The web address could be mistaken for Vetfield's actual website, misleading potential customers.
What people wouldn't say to your face, they'll say to a computer. And that's the real danger and the real risk.
David Pollack, a defamation attorney, argues you can express your opinion online as much as you like. However, you do so at your own risk.
Where's that line?
If you can prove that that fact is untrue, then you've got a case for defamation.
In other words, calling someone a murderer when they haven't been arrested for murder could be defamation.
You can call somebody a dirtbag, you can call somebody stupid, but in my opinion, what you can't do is call somebody a criminal, especially where no criminal activity has taken place.
Hey, you're the scum of the earth. Is that defamatory? It's not nice, but it's not actionable.
We attempted to reach out to Jonathan Black to prove his existence. He sent us a handful of emails. He also provided us a scan of his driver's license. However, all the information was blacked out. We also received an affidavit allegedly from Black. It was notarized in India, which we could not verify. Again, when you post online, opinions are usually fine, but sometimes statements that can be proven false could get you in trouble. David Sida, CBS 4 News, tonight.